So, last night we had freezing rain here in Boise. You can see the road surface is all ice. So let's look at my garbage can. This is what freezing rain does to the roads. See that? It's clear. You can see right through it. But it's ice. And the roads are covered in this stuff. Look at that. Look at that. Imagine driving on this stuff. And it's not warm enough to melt it. It's like a giant ice skating rink. Look at that. It molds perfectly. Everything is covered in this. Look at that. Sticks to everything, coated everything. And we get to drive in this. Look how thick it is. Look at that.